wheels. Those wheels here on the side. Got too low, it's scraping. So I need to put some wheels right here. Rolls. Like this. Oops. That. See, now I'll show you how this gets scraped up. See, it gets all scraped up down there. And then that gets scraped up. It's already scraped up onto the bolts. So that's why I'm putting a little bit of space. So I found some screws from my pile of screws. Got the hole drilled out on both sides. And of course, since this is threaded, eventually it might eat into here. But this is just for today to get this prototype. I'll put a washer here, and then I'll use 2 nuts to create the clamp down. It's gonna have to fit in between here. The problem I'm having is this washer is too high, and I can't get the wrench to fit in between there, so this washer, the back of the nut is gonna be the washer. And it's going to be such a loose tolerance that it's not even really scraping against it. Okay, that's tight, not going anywhere. There, now it doesn't have so much play. That's going to work. I will want to check it just to make sure. All right, let's see. Just to make sure it doesn't loosen up. At least now I can see it fall off. I'll be able to at least look for the nuts. That's good. That can't get any tighter. All right, so it's done. So I'll show you the design, and then I'll show it to you in action. So there's a wheel. Got some dust on it. And there's the other one. It's kind of something I've been wanting to do for a while because this snowblower been used a lot in the past couple of years, and then we haven't had much snow lately, but now it's like snow. So there it is. That's it. Ready to go. Yeah, that's it. Very simple. Rolls and just the very tight tolerance on the scraper bar. So that scraper bar should be really really nice now because it'll just be close enough and far enough away that it's not wearing out so prematurely. Let's show it to you. See? Really good tight tolerance, so it's not going to leave so much snow on the ground. Alright, so that's the design. Utilizing the wheels from a plastic carry-on thingy, majiggy. Alright, I'm going to get the battery, get my boots on. So here it is outside now. Now if I'm looking at the wheels, this side and this side need to be pointed straight for alignment. You got a little toe out on that one. This one looks pretty good. So this one here had a little more issues on certain things being a little off alignment, so it's going to go with it right now. It rolls. Okay, so it rolls. The rear wheels could use a little grease, a little squeaky, but let me go get the batteries now. I'm doing something different. I'm using the Rain-X. Rain-X with a snowblower. Yep. Spray it on here. On there. So I'm using Rain-X. I'm just gonna do some close-ups on it now, just to show you it works. So that's it right there. There. Those the wheels. No, it's kind of still sticking inside, so the Rain-X only works on the slushy stuff. The powdery stuff, not so much, but there you go. That's it. So it works. It works. Works good.